Hi, Rich here. I got a review of a USB microscope. Cheap. I think $16 on eBay. Took a week to get here. It's pretty interesting. I'd like to show you this plug. This is USB, but it also converts to a micro USB. And then it came with the micro or USB Type C adapter for the USB Type A. So it can actually function on several devices. Of course, iPhone wasn't included, but too bad. Galaxy Tab S6, the new one, the pen. I'll plug that in. I downloaded an app called USB Cam, I believe. Let me pull it up, and hopefully you'll be able to see what happens. You plug the camera in, and it will immediately, now obviously there's nothing under the microscope yet. I'll shine it at the light. It immediately puts up here what the microscope can see. You can take snapshots, and then there's some small editing features. So I'll change the camera angle and let you see what we have here. Okay, hopefully that's a fair enough angle for everybody else to see. So again, here is the stand. It's plastic chrome, soft bottom. This little device attaches. It's got a zoom button on the side. On the other side it has a snap. That has not worked for me. I don't know if it requires specific software, but I'm using the one I downloaded from the Play Store. So it comes with a little protective cap for the microscope, and let's do something silly. Let's take a look at this wood grain right here, and I'm going to go all the way down to ×0 and see what this wood grain looks like. See what we can see. Oh, and also the cord has a dial on it to reduce the light. It's pretty neat. Am I getting anything on this wood grain? Turn the light up. Might be too bright. Okay, I'm gonna actually zoom in. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. Now, this doesn't do the eye justice here. You have to have a very, very stable surface for this, because as you can see, it gives that weird distortion when the camera lens is moving. That's the only downside. This is not very sturdy. So I will take a couple snapshots so y'all can see what I'm seeing, and I'll put those in the video. And I'm going to zoom in even further, all the way to 1600 times, and see what we can get. I might have to put this right on the desk, right on the table rather, to get. I'm going to have to back up just a little bit, I think. Okay. I'll take a snapshot of that. I'll also do the end of my fingernail so we can see. I'll take another photo of the end of my fingernail. Actually, I think I have to back out a little bit for that. Gross. I have a boo-boo here. Let's do a fingerprint. that is my fingerprint. Back out. Kind of gross. You can see microparticles of dirt inside of my fingertip, where my finger looks relatively clean. But I would say this product's pretty good for children. Looking at bugs, looking at tips of crayons, and showing them the world around them and how things work. I think the best thing about this toy, we'll call it, is its compatibility with Android devices and computers. You're not stuck to an eyepiece, and children can't. They have trouble lining things up like that. So I think being able to visualize this on a screen like a tablet is probably the best part about this. The quality's really good. It was very clear on the pictures, considering I wasn't really holding everything very still. And it's not very scientific. It's just a little platform, lightweight platform. I like that there's a dimming switch here. I wish the focusing, I don't know how it would be done. It'd have to be a lot bigger if it had like an electronic dial for the zoom, but obviously $16, you get what you pay for. I'll look more into the zoom button and the snap button, but I'm not really concerned about it. That's about it. See ya.